Okay, let's get us business, okay? Yeah, which为了部分，我们来一起复习一下我们上节课到的内容。I think about last week's teacher net video guide to learn hobbies, right? 爱好的部分。
爱好。
Yeah, today and also today. Yeah, 爱好。
爱好。
Yeah, 爱好。This is hobby.
爱好。Hobby.
Yeah, and let's go words.
One. 擅长。
擅长 is right.
擅长。
But now we first refer to this word and see what is right. You can see this one is 喜欢, but in Chinese and we have the what is like and but you know 喜欢in China we just always use like is 喜欢 and love have another meaning, you know, love you. Did you know I love you? It's a very stupid question because everybody knows love is right. Love is in Chinese I. Also the expression is 喜欢. And this one is enjoy. Enjoy also can express the 喜欢 and have another meaning. Another meaning is enough is 足够了，足够多了。You talk about so much, enough, 足够了，足够多了，不要再说下去了。Okay, let's talk about this one. This one you guys just now said, and this one is 擅长 is right? 擅长。And this means and you do something so you like do it. That is your hobby. So we talk about 擅长，擅长的事。然后的话，你可能很喜欢做，所以呢，我们说这是你擅长的事。
我平来说。
How to say it? You tell me how to say it. It's 热衷 is right. 热衷 be fond of. 热衷，你热衷于什么 ？This means you really like it. You like it so much. You really like it. You supreme like it. So 热衷 this mean. Okay, and you know this word and this word in this last, and we learned some sports and same like this one, swim. And in Chinese we call it what? We call it. Can you tell me? Can you spell it? This one. 游泳 is right. 游泳 swim 游泳 and also and we call this one is ski in Chinese 滑雪 Did you like ski? If your hometown house is always have snow and you can do this sports is ski is very good. Okay, this one swim is 游泳 and ski is 滑雪 Did you know ski? 滑雪
Yes.
Yeah. 滑雪西语雪 not 水 is water is 水 雪 is snow is 雪 but in this word we call it ski 滑雪 this is sports okay okay let's go to review these words and draw 画画 you draw something 画画 and you read books 读书yeah 画画 and 读书 okay and also next words is watching movies and rain and could you tell me how to say it in Chinese
How to say what?
how to say this word in Chinese
看电影 marry
yeah watching movie and this one 跑步 okay you get it let's do next this one is play basketball is 打 could you tell me how to say it play basketball 打篮球 okay
打篮球
and this one is dance and how and dance did you like dance
跳舞
dance 跳舞 and this one 踢足球 yeah you good you did a good job yeah this one
唱歌
yeah you sing one song okay 唱歌唱一首歌 sing one song okay. What are your hobbies? Could you use the Chinese to answer me? What's your hobbies? You know, 用中文
我的爱好
What's your hobbies?
我的爱好是游泳。
你的爱好是游泳，我的爱好也是游泳。
我的爱好是游泳。
Okay, I get it. Your hobbies is swim. Yeah. Okay. Do you like sing? Do you like sing?
我喜欢唱歌。
Yeah, 我喜欢唱歌。我喜欢唱歌。Yeah. Okay, let's do next. Okay, I'm fond of rain. So just now we learned the word. Yeah, 我热衷于跑步。I like it so much. Let's talk about next. How do you spend your spare time? And you do your hobbies?
共享。我共享。
时间。
你做什么
？Yeah. 你空闲时间都做什么？
时间
OK， 我的空闲时间呢，我总是看一些电影啊，然后呢，我总是去玩一会儿游戏啊。And how to spare your spare time? You try using the Chinese to answer me.
How do you spell what?
You use the Chinese to answer me, and I ask you, how to spend your spare time? In Chinese, 空闲时间你都做什么呢？
我看书。
You read a book?
我看书了。我看书了。
Yeah, you're good.
我看书了。
OK， 你看书了，我懂，你看书了。好的 ，I often read a book. Oh my gosh.
我经
OK，
常读书，
对，你经常，probably right to tell you guys often，我经常，I always，我总是，I often，我经常 read
读
books。
书，我经常读书。
Yeah. Okay. Okay. And what do you usually do？你平时都喜欢干什么呢
我经读书。
？You just using the Chinese to answer me. Okay. 你平时都喜欢干什么呢？And in your spare time you do what？在你空闲的时间你都做什么？平时都喜欢做什么呢？
我进我进电影
啊，你看电影
电视
吗？电视。
电视
Yeah, usually you watch TV and watching movies, right? Okay,
对
that
对
do
对
the conversation. Okay, that do the conversation, okay? And you can see the conversation. Okay, I will to be actor A and you will to be actor 2. Okay. Which is the Chinese? This is conversation practice.
OK，
你的爱好是什么呢？And you,
我喜欢唱歌，
yeah,
我喜
you,
欢唱歌，
yeah. You also can answer your
Watching
true
what?
hobby. Just now you told me your true hobby is swim. 你喜欢这个游泳是吧
我喜欢游泳，
？Yeah. Okay.
我喜欢游泳。
In your spare time，空闲时间你都做什么呢？Just now you told me you like to read a book.
我喜欢看书，
Yeah， 你喜欢看书，你总是看书，或者你说 something like this one， 我经常看书。Okay. Okay. Okay, today's topic is look for somebody. You know, look for somebody. In Chinese, this means 找人. This means you want to find someone. You want to find someone is look for somebody. In Chinese, we just call it 找人. You know, it's a very good
找
topic.
人
Yeah.
找人
Yeah.
不
Okay.
好意思，
Yeah, 不好意思. You know, when we want to make some the conversation, something like you want to ask someone, you want to look for somebody, but you should this one to tell you some information. So, you know, we always want to do politely. So we say, excuse me, 打扰一下，或者呢 we say sorry, 不好意思。然后 I will, and now next, and I will to ask, I will to say my question. I will to do asking to another guy. Some like now is I say sorry in Chinese 不好意思，我想找小明，请问他在这里吗？In Chinese is I want to find Xiaoming. Is where I want to find Xiaoming. 就小明在这里吗？不好意思 and excuse me. You can to change, okay? You want to use weird and
不
you
好不好意思，
okay. Let's talk about this one is disturb.
打扰
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 Yeah, it's disturbing expression.
打扰
Yeah, disturbing. You know, disturbing in China. Disturbing Chinese culture is not very good. It's so rude. So don't be disturbed, okay? When you see someone to have conversation, don't disturb it. It's not politely. OK，当你看到有人在谈话的时候呢，不要去 disturb it， 不要去打扰他，因为呢，那很不礼貌。OK，did you understand this? Okay, this one, 寻找, and in English
寻
is
寻找
seek and look for, search. And this word is very useful. 寻找. You also can use 寻找 this word to express you want to 寻找 some stuff. You want to some stuff. 你想要寻找一些物品. And you also can see I want to find someone. 我想要寻找一些东西. I want to look for somebody. 我想要找到一些人. And also you also you can see you can I wanna 寻找 some meaning. 我想要找到意义。这个意义呢有很多种，比如说 the meaning of life, 生命的意义。But you also can use 寻找。寻找 is very useful. It's very very useful. 寻找 somebody, some stuff, some meaning. Okay. This one is in 在 I'm in the house. I'm in the house. 我在里。我在家 means house. It's very easy. It's very easy. Okay, this one is make an appointment. Make an appointment. When you want to go to a restaurant, when you want to get a seat, so you should make an appointment. If you didn't do that, maybe you don't have a seat. Okay, so make an appointment and in Chinese, and I think about you already know how to say it, how to read it. Could you tell me? You can see the pinyin, okay? You can see the pinyin. And the second tongue and the first tongue. And Okay, let me tell you. We call it 预约.
预约
Yeah, 预约. Oh, okay, 预约 is very good habit. Really, it's very good habits. When you go to a restaurant, and when you want to have date with someone, and you should to make an appointment, that's right. So 你需要预约，你需要提前预约。无论呢你是想去饭店吃饭呢，你需要预约，还是你想跟其他人去约会呢，你也需要预约。Okay, understanding. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, wait a moment, and wait a moment. So many way to expression this means. 稍等 yeah, 稍等 Hold on, man.
稍等
Wait a minute.
稍等
Yeah, 等一下稍等 Wait a moment. 稍等
稍等
Okay. Yeah. This one is how. How. What do you mean in Chinese?
怎么
Yeah, 怎么 Let me tell something. Did you know Blackpink is a very famous group in Korea. So they have a new song. This mean is how you like that. How you like that in Chinese and 怎么样就是怎么 and because how 怎么 Did you understand? It's very easy to memorize. 怎么 When you want to ask something, 怎么样啊 How's it going?
怎么样
Yeah. Okay.
怎么样吗
Yeah. Passionately. Read passionately. Okay.
你先等
This
你先等待
Yeah.
内先等待
Yeah, 耐心等待 Just now we said, and wait a moment.
对
一会儿等待一下 And now passionately 耐心
内
Okay.
先等待
Yeah, 等待，等待。Okay, this one is contact.
耐心等待。
Okay, let's talk about next. Contact.
联系，
联系，联系。Want made some contact with someone. 你想要联系一些人，你想要联系一些人应该怎么说呢？We will use 联系，联系。You know.
你想联系，
This 联系 have some meaning. This meaning is call. This means call. You want to call somebody. 你想要给谁打电话 ？This means expressing you want to 联系 someone. You want to contact with someone. 要联系。所以呢，在我们经常说呢 ，keep contact， 保持联系，because we will want to keep this relationship, this friendship, you know. Okay. Now
不好意思，我
new sentence. Okay, new sentence. You know, today topic to look for somebody. Look for somebody, to find somebody. Okay. And just now I told guys that when you want to asking, and you should say what? 不好意思 maybe sorry. 不好意思或者打扰一下。所以呢 excuse me, I want to find Tony. In Chinese you call it 不好意思，我想找一下 Tony. 我想找一下 Tony. Okay? Did you understand?
不好意思，我找一下餐，
Tony. Yeah. 不好意思，我找一下汤尼。
想餐呢？
Okay, and you understand it, right? You get it. Excuse me, and we always use about that to be very politely. So we said about that. Remember it. In Chinese, we call it 不好意思。
不好意思，我找一下这里。
Yeah. Okay. Also, we talk about that sentence.
打扰一下，
Yeah. Can you get it? Yeah. 打扰一下。
打扰一下。
小明 here.
小明在这里。
Yes, we're good. You get it because you already know and sorry in there and how to express about it, so you understand. Okay, we're good. Okay, let's talk about next. Okay, just now we learned sorry and excuse me, and I want to find. You know, it is very good sentence, and when you want to find someone, look for someone, you just say 不好意思或者打扰一下，然后呢，你说我想找谁谁谁。You want to find whom? You want to find whom? You just want to put the name it. You know, it's a very good sentence. Very. Okay, let's talk about next. You understand that's why it's right because that's why it's not same like sentence. This one is similar to grammar. So I just say it. Okay. Now is please wait a moment. Please wait a minute. Please wait a moment. He will come over later. Could you tell me what it means?
一会过来，他一会啊过来，他一会啊
一会儿过来呀，一会儿过来。Please wait a moment. He will come over later. Okay. Let's talk about next. Please be a minute and wait. I will help you to contact. Okay, and how to say about it? Yeah, 请耐心等待，我帮您联系。It's right. 请耐心等待，我帮您联系。 And you also can change the word is 你 Okay, let's talk about next. And how can I connect to you, please? How can I connect to you? Because I want to 联系你。我想要联系你。I want to call you. I want to contact you. Please. 请告诉我怎么联系你呢 ？This is asking. So how? 怎么？请问我怎么联系你呢 ？How can I get you, please? 请告诉我怎么联系你呢 ？This is asking. Okay, now we will have the conversation practice. Okay. This one is okay. This one is excuse me. I want to find Joy. 打扰一下，我想找约翰。Just now we said you just change the name and you want when you want to find somebody and you just change the name. Okay, let me help you contact. 好的，我帮您联系一下。好的。我帮您联系一下。好的，我帮您联系一下。Let's mean it. Let me help you. 我帮您联系一下。Do you have a reservation in advance? 请问您有提前预约吗 Yeah. And if you have that, and you just already made an appointment. So 我有预约。Okay. Let's talk about nice conversation. This one is sorry, no. 不好意思，我并没有预约。这个时候呢，其实这么说就可以。不好意思，我没有预约。Okay, Mr. Joy is very busy, and you may have to wait. 约翰先生呢，他非常的忙。John is very busy. I think about when you she have the John name, she is very good, very great. Similar like the John in Bible. Okay, Mr. John is very busy, and you may have to wait. 约翰先生很忙，您可能得等一会儿，您可能得等一会儿。我再说一遍啊，约翰先生很忙。您可能得等一会儿。Okay, let's talk about this one. This conversation part. I will give you Mr. Joy's temperature number. And could you tell me and how to say it in Chinese?
我把约翰先生电话给您，你可以提前联系他。
Yeah, 你可以提前联系他。And you can connect him in advance. 你可以提前联系他。Okay. Okay. This one is everybody know it. Okay, thanks. 好的，谢谢你。You're welcome. 不客气。Okay. It's all today. And let me tell you guys something, okay? Then let me tell you guys something. Now we from the IVF organization, okay? Now we have so many activities, really, so many. Okay, the first activities is a video of happiness. This means the topic is happiness. This game is you made some video and the topic is happiness. And can you see there? This is the rules of the game. The rules of the game. First, registration, and you just can make your video and to send in our email. This is our famous email, and you just set it. And there way, if you win to the game, and you will get the prize. You will get the prize, and the first prize is iPad, and the second prize is AirPods Pro, and third prize is Demos MacBook 3. It's very good machine, really. Okay, second activity is online Chinese song game. It's online Chinese song, only just a Chinese song. Because you guys now is learn Chinese, so I want you guys to make some challenge, so you can to learn the Chinese song and to prepare your song and also some like before you use and you should make some video, and when you finish your video and you can send in our email and we will check it, and you and they will, and if you to be win, and you can also get the prize, and the first prize is iPad, second prize is AirPods Pro, and third prize is Disney Small Model 3. This is very good. And you also can uh, you also can to keep this picture, and if you if you have some question, you can ask guys. You can ask you can ask in our Facebook homepage. You can leave a message in our Facebook homepage. Really, this is very good activities. Now is everybody cannot go outside. Maybe now you wearing the mask, and now you do the self-association. So everybody felt it very bad. But now I have organization made some activities and to help everybody to be fun. Okay. And I hope you get to join it, and we will get together in online. Okay, it's all today, and I will see you guys next time. And if you have any question, you can leave a message on our homepage, and we will answer you. Okay, goodbye.
Bye.